Hi guys, I just bought some drawing equipment and I thought I wanted to show you what I bought. I bought three things. First of all, I bought a packet with sketching pencils. In this packet there's 6 sketching pencils and they're going from HB to 4B. So 2 HB, 2 2Bs, and 2 4Bs. I also bought these pigment liners, which are just black liners. The tips are in different sizes, so we have them from 0.05 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters. So there's quite a difference on the lowest or the thinnest and the thickest tip. I will just show you how they look like in a moment. Last but not least, I bought these markers. They're called Design Twin Markers. And there's 48 markers in this box here. And there's a lot of different colors, and there's really all the colors I'm gonna need, I think. I think you can buy them separately if you need them, because they're marked from 1 and up. I'll show you those in a minute. But I want to start with the pencils to give you a look on how they are and how they sketch. So they're inside this little metal box here, and there's really hard with one hand. There's these 6 pencils inside. And the first pencil is this HB pencil, which is just a simple hard black pencil. And I'll just draw . Alright, so I just drew a quick flower. Not so pretty, but yeah, you get the idea. Especially when you see it next to a flower drawn by the 2B pencil, which is 2 black. And this is, of course, a little more black than the HB pencil. As you can see, there's a difference on how black flower is. And you'll be able to see that more clearly when I draw with the 4B pencil, which is 4 black and of course a little darker than the 2 black. So yeah, that was the pencils, and honestly, these 3 pencils are like all I need when I draw. I don't need to have like 6B or 8B when I draw. This is perfectly fine for me. Moving on, I want to show you how the pigment liner works. Of course you know how a pigment liner works, but I just wanted to show you what like the difference is on the tips of these, because this is a 0.8 millimeter, which is the thickest of them all. So just draw a heart real quickly, and you can see this is when you draw with this one, that gives a lot of color. Just to show you the contrast between the two tips, I wanted to show you the last one, or the thinnest tip there is, the 0.05 millimeter tip. And you can see it's really small. It's like to draw, it's meant to draw like really fine details. It's a super fine tip, little tip that can go in and draw like the smallest details. So yeah, that is the difference between the thinnest and the thickest tip. And of course you have the pencils in between, which goes from 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.5. Also basically all what I need for when I'm drawing. I don't think I'm gonna need anything more than this. So I've drawn a little flower here just to show you how they color. And these markers are very special, and that's also why I bought them. The thing is that they have two tips. So they have one tip which is really large, like this one. It's 7 millimeters, and then they have a smaller tip which is 1.5 millimeters. So I'll start with the large one here. They're great, really great, really rich color, and just really dries really quickly also, so that's great. So this is how the smaller tips, what it looks like. It's very small, so you have to be careful with this. But it's great, it works great, and the colors are so great when they like get on the paper. It's perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful, or you just enjoyed watching it and seeing what some drawing equipment can look like.